Swiss is sweet, full of sour. That's a juxtaposition. Shut the fuck up and listen. Just to meet me in the present is a present. Meet me for dinner at 7. A celebration is in order. Book me a table at Beauty and Essex. I don't need a menu neither. Bring me some yellowtail and tequila. Used to eat Taco Bell every evening. That's what the fuck I was doing in Cleveland. Hey. Worth the wait, third album on the way. Y'all know I slay, I shotgun pump, I don't pump brakes. I'm my favorite rapper alive. Since my favorite rapper banned me from Shade 45, I wonder, what now? It's the Gunna.
For no reason, mosh pit. For no reason, mosh pit.
Let's get to it.
I just think you fucking with the wrong one.
The wrong one, no.
Times like this, I don't know how to have fun. I think I'ma fuck somebody up. Fuck 'em up. You're gonna need someone to hold you up.
Hold you up, huh?
What the
Look,
fuck?
it's only one option. You gon' need a doctor. I ain't talking about the one from Compton. Arms, feet, legs all gone like I'm Don Corleone. Hiring James Bond, that's what I'm on. Remain calm, but aware that I'm armed and dangerous. See, double X is a know that the gang with us, so hang tight. I'm trying to get this right. You think cause I wrote a pop hit that I won't pop shit? The fuck's wrong with you pop tarts? I pop cherries and pop stars. Your popsicles is not hard. Popped in on the top charts at the cop card. So remind y'all, you just rap, you not guards. And I don't care who got bars, because they don't acknowledge mine, so show me who got scars. Show me the greatest on the stage in the arena. Bet they point their finger up at the Gunna and Tekanina.